Hello, my name is Oliver. I found it very interesting to read the book Machines of Loving Grace by Amode. Um, I particularly enjoyed the part where he shows like the intro of the book and then he reveals later that it's fully written by AI, which was surprising because it was very well written. I think that was just a cool example of how AI can be used to create something better if you know how to use it. Like he then showed uh, his process of how he went by. He like had to teach it a bunch of things before getting it to actually write because he wanted the AI to think in the way he was thinking. So it shows how it doesn't always have to be like a replacement, but can also be just a great tool that can help us create things. The issue I chose was bias in AI or large language models. The question I used was, can AI be truly neutral? How does bias affect the results of AI? After doing research, and I found that AI gets all its information from the internet and like the people who coded and created it, so it always has bias in itself because it doesn't can't create something that's fully original. It's always pulling from other things that people write, and people are naturally biased. uh, yeah, I mean that was the main highlight, that it can't create something that's fully original because it doesn't have that's not what AI does. It doesn't create things. It takes everything from the internet and kind of compiles it into its own thing, which it presents as, yeah, objective when it sometimes isn't objective answer because it's formed its opinion from a bias from somewhere else. I found finding good sources very easy on both Gemini, which is what I use, and also the George Fox University Library. Both were really easy. I just asked the AI what sources, just to give me some sources on this topic, and they gave me links, and I clicked the links, and it took me to an actual website. So I read through that, made sure it was all legitimate and real. And same with the George Fox Library. I just typed in like a keyword, and it had all the info I needed on that, which was cool. Yeah, and I checked that one too. Everything was solid. I'll put the links under the video. And to be honest, I don't think I was very surprised with any of my findings because I already knew that AI was like taking stuff from others. So I kind of went into the project already knowing that that's how AI gets its biases, was from the the internet and all that stuff. So just doing research just confirmed what I already thought I knew, which is cool.